हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम काजल एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो बेसिकली आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं एज स्ट्रक्चर पॉपुलेशन के बारे में एंड इसका क्या रोल है इकोसिस्टम सस्टेनेबिलिटी में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद व्हाट इज एज स्ट्रक्चर पॉपुलेशन। An age structure population refers to a population that is categorized into different age groups or classes such as juveniles, adults, and seniors. These groups helps in understanding the population growth, reproduction, and survival patterns. Each group has an important job in keeping the ecosystem balanced and healthy. These groups can be defined in various ways such as young, adult, and seniors. The first one is young or pre-reproductive stage, in which individuals are too young to reproduce, and the second one is adult or reproductive stage, in which individuals are capable of reproduce, and the third one is seniors or post-reproductive stage, in which older animals may not reproduce anymore but they can still play an important role. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे कि एज स्ट्रक्चर की विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन थ्रू अ पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड, दैट इज पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड. The base one denote the youngest age group and peak denote the older age group, and this one is male and female opposite side of the pyramid. Next is types of pyramid. There are three types of pyramid. First one is expansive, that is pyramid shape, and the second one is stable, that is column shape, and third one is constructive, that is inverted pyramid shapes. This is the structures of the types of pyramid. Next, हम next देखेंगे रोल इन इकोसिस्टम सस्टेनेबिलिटी. First one is population dynamics. Age structure is a key factor in predicting future population growth or decline. Means a population with a large proportion of young individuals has the potential for rapid growth, which can impact resources availability and competition within the ecosystem. Next one is resource management. Understanding age structure help us manage resource sustainability. For example, in fisheries management, it's crucial to protect breeding age fish to ensure the long-term health of the population. And another example is in forestry, age structure inform decisions about harvesting and replanting to maintain a healthy and productive forest. Next one is conservation efforts. And age structure is essential for conservation planning. Means it's help identify vulnerable age groups that need special protection. For example, if a species has low survival rate among juveniles, conservation efforts may focus on improving juvenile survival. Next one is ecosystem balance. Means a stable age structure contributes to overall ecosystem balance. Means different age groups may play a different role in the ecosystem, such as young individuals may serve as prey for predators. Older individuals may contribute to nutrition cycling through decomposition. Maintaining a healthy age structure ensures that these roles are fulfilled. And some examples of age structure population. First is forest ecosystems. Means a forest with a fix of young and old trees is more resilient to disturbance like fire or disease. Young trees can quickly fill gaps created by older trees that die, ensuring the forest continue productivity. Next one is wildlife population. In wildlife management, understanding the age structure of deer or elk population help set hunting regulations that maintain a healthy population without over harvesting. Next, another example is human population. The age structure of human population has implication for social and economic planning, such as education, healthcare, and retirement system. That is all about age structure, population, and their role in ecosystem sustainability. And thanks for watching my YouTube video. That's all.